Hi, Thomas. Ram here.
Hello, Ram. Welcome to the team, brother.
Thank you, Thomas. Thomas, I just wanted to know there's two words, inflationary and de-inflationary first.
What's the question? What is it?
What is the meaning of inflationary and
Finally, someone is asking questions because many people are afraid to ask questions. But well done, brother. So let me just finish up writing the game plan for Discord. So those of you who didn't join, and then I answer your question.
sure, Thomas?
So it all comes down to inflationary and deflationary. I'm going to explain one thing. Hold on just 1 second.
Quick one. Are you upfronting the market? No.
I will answer that question as well. But let me just quickly. Okay.
Where is the music?
Oh, it's coming, brother. Calm down. Okay. So Ram asked a very good question about, what is inflationary and deflationary? Because our strategy, our analysis is based around these very two simple terminology. Ram, are you still listening?
Yes, Thomas.
Okay, I'm gonna put some music on so it helps you to, to better understand the terminology. Okay, so Ram asked the question, what is inflationary and deflationary? The first, before we actually define these two terminologies, we have to understand the circular flow of income, which is the bread and butter of inflation. So in an economy, whether it's closed or unclosed, we have a circular flow of income. So households usually have breadwinners or two salaries, but let's focus on one salary. So households get, someone goes to work and gets a salary, right? Ram, probably have a job as well.
Yes.
Okay, you go to work, you get a job, there is a factor of payment that you get for your service or work. Most likely you underpaid as everyone else, we all are. So you get paid, and that payment goes into the household, and now that payment turns into disposable income. Well, after you paid your bills, your mortgage and everything, then you have on top of that, which is called the disposable income. And that disposable income can change. Obviously, your salary probably stays the same every year, right? Or maybe increases 1 or 2%, inflation targeting. But usually you negotiate the salary, you stuck in that for years and years and years. Maybe you get some, promotion. But long story short, your salary stays the same because it's sticky. It's another important terminology. But when inflation is going up, that means that the change in prices of goods and services can increase. That's inflation. Deflation is the other way, when prices are decreasing. So you go shopping, you have salary, and on top of your salary you have $200 disposable income that you can spend on whatever you want. Netflix, Pornhub, entertainment. But when inflation is increasing, that means that your money worth less. And when your money worth less, your salary stays the same. So you $200 dollars disposable income is going to worth less, because when inflation is increasing, then you can be 100% sure that all the companies are going to increase the price of their goods and services, which is measured by the CPI. And when that price is increasing, your disposable income is going to worth less. So now you have to shop down, and instead of a Pornhub subscription, you have to subscribe to, old grannies something. But anyway, you have to cancel your Netflix. So that's inflation, when your money is worth less because the prices are increasing rapidly. In the history, there were some very, very ugly inflationary periods. And actually, if you go to the website, there is a tab called Economics, when I talk about recessions. And in that, I think it's in the recession video, when I talk about the business cycles and how the business cycles change. So, sometimes the stock market goes absolutely crazy and rallying, then everyone is making good money, but then you have a crisis, and suddenly people get on the street, lose their jobs, unable to feed their families. That's hyperinflation. And believe it or not, our grandparents in most of the countries, they experience this. And it's very ugly, because you go down to the shop to buy a bread in the morning, it costs $1, but in the afternoon it costs $100. Because inflation, the price of goods and services, increasing 100 or even 400% per hour. How crazy is that? And I actually have inflationary notes which were issued by the Hungarian government back in 1946, maybe, I think, when they had pengu, 100 pengu, 1000 pengu, but they had to issue 1 billion pengu because prices were going up so high. Anyway, watch the video, this one educational video on the website. So pretty much that's what inflation and deflation is. I hope I explained it well.
Yes, Thomas. I'll go through that video and get more information.
Yeah. Okay. So those of you who are just joining now, I went on live on YouTube, by the way, just to help everyone else. So we already did the full analysis on PCE, because we have PCE today. And pretty much everything is on the chart, the narrative. So those of you who just joined now, please read it. And if you have any question, feel free to ask. Why is everyone so quiet suddenly?
Waiting till data.
Oh, I love you. I love your Finnish accent.
Estonian.
Estonian, sorry. But it's fairly similar, isn't it?
Yep.
There was a guy in Britain's Got Talent. Do you remember him?
The high
No.
vis guy. Guy with the high vis.
I'm not sure, but he had like I'm pretty sure he was Finnish, but his accent was so similar to Janar's, and he made the worst jokes ever. But it was like a straight face, very sarcastic. I love him.
Oh yeah.
Hello everyone. Who is from Finnish? I mean from Finland.
Janar is from Estonia.
Ah, sorry. Okay.
Yeah, you better sorry. It's rude. Just kidding.
But do they speak Finnish a little bit, or do they understand Finnish?
Kind of. It's like the German and Netherlands speak each other with the Germany, almost same language.
Yeah,
Moi,
but
moi.
Dutch is like when a drunk German trying to speak English.
Yeah. Well, it's
Moi,
similar
moi.
for the Estonian and Finnish language, almost same, but not the same.
So, Janar, it's from Estonia.
Yeah.
Moi, moi. Mitä kuuluu?
As far as you know, the Hungarian, Estonian, and Finnish language, they are in the same group of languages.
In culture group, yeah, same.
Finugor.
Yes. Hard to understand them, especially Hungarian. I used to work with the Hungarian boys in Republic of Ireland. I've been trying to pick up a couple of words, but it was like, Jesus Christ, no. For me, it was hard.
Was it in an Asda warehouse? Because most Hungarian guys worked in, in Sainsbury's or Asda.
Thomas, can I ask about my subscription? I got the promo yesterday. Is that a lifetime subscription?
Would you like it to be?
Yes.
Then it is, sir. Of course it's lifetime.
Okay, thank you.
No, actually it's monthly subscription.
Yeah, that would be good money.
You might be better than Netflix.
Yeah, I could stop trading.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have PCE today, which is coming up in 18 minutes. You guys have the macroeconomic analysis. How you spend? You have the macroeconomic analysis. Today we have PCE, which is, it's not CPI, it is another measure of inflation, but from the consumer perspective and from the disposable income perspective, as I explained it to Ram. So CPI measures the change in goods and the change in price of goods and services, but PCE measures the personal consumption expenditure. So it measures the ability for households to spend money, and the reason why it is actually preferred by the Fed. So not many people know this, but it is the Fed's favorite inflation indicator, because as soon as the households start shopping down, they can logically and naturally kill inflation, because then it initiates a price war between that's microeconomics, initiates a price war between firms and companies. But going back to the original thought, it's PCE is measuring inflation from the consumer perspective. So it involves terminologies as disposable income, how much households got to spend each month, and when inflation gets too high, that disposable income shrinks, because salaries and wages are sticky, and that's another economic terminology, so you can use it if you go to a fancy interview. Sticky wages. So when prices are increasing in high speed, that disposable income probably stays the same and only catches up the salary after inflation, like 6 or 7 months or 8 months. So long story short, PCE measures is similar to CPI, but measures inflation from the consumer expenditure perspective. And the reason why it's preferred by the Fed, because it takes into account something called the substitution effect. We discussed already the substitution effect and what it is. And basically it's shopping down or shopping up, depending on whether we have an inflationary or deflationary environment. And stop me if I talk too much or if you have any questions, because I just to warm up. Just start to warm up.
Feed me. Keep
Nah,
coming.
you're good.
Feed me. Okay. People asking if I have any front-running position. Not yet, but we had a discussion whether we should do a front running, and I feel that prices are going to be going lower. But we have some technical difficulties in terms of price level, which could be a Biden using sell effect type of scenario.
Running Friday.
No stop loss Friday.
Oh, yo. Account blowing Friday.
No, because the weekend is blown. If I lose my money, I don't have money to go out in the weekend.
Yes. Yes. From the date yesterday, I have expected way more volatility than we saw. You too,
yesterday
Thomas?
was a shit show.
There
was volatility, but
nothing.
you know,
It's nothing.
Yeah, from the GDP, it was it was crazy. It was the most anticipated day. We had GDP, jobless claims, ECB interest decision, Lagarde speech. What else do you need? I mean, and it was like just.
Thomas,
crap.
every time when the news is fully loaded, the day is fully loaded with news. There's happened nothing, and then on days with crude oil news, don't make 100,000 of pips. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Sometimes I don't understand it. I try to understand this thing, but you never know. Everything is possible, like you always said. But yesterday was a shit
How many
show.
times we made the best money on Monday and Tuesday, the quietest days?
Yes.
And then when we had the big data, it was like loss.
Yes, loss or the main reason is the mix of the data. It's too many datas, you know.
Exactly.
Sorry for my voice. I'm completely sick here.
Oh, what's wrong, Habibi?
Habibi. My wife is. No, it's not.
I bet is your wife Polish as well?
No, my wife's from Kazakhstan. Here's my wife.
I
Say hello
don't
to
speak.
Thomas. Say hello. There's my wife.
Hold on. Let me change. So your
Auga
wife can see
Kazakhstan.
me in full picture. Hello. Hello, Miss Masterlich. Wie geht's?
Come over here.
I can speak German, English, but no Kazakhstan. Hello.
The whole gang. Now the whole gang.
Mila. Hello, Mila.
Hello.
Mila is not the best day for Mila today.
It's okay. Anyway. Oh my god, she is beautiful.
Gorgeous, brother.
It is.
Blonde with blue eyes. It's crazy.
My
Completely
son has blonde hair as well, and only plus an N in his name, and the same as Mila.
Yes, I know. He's not bald like you.
No, luckily she inherited more from his mum.
Yes. Maybe we meet alive at some point, Thomas. Maybe.
Thomas, please refer to your son as a he.
Yeah. Sorry, I.
You don't want to confuse him, yeah?
No. Well, definitely is going to be a he. Otherwise, we're gonna have a discussion.
Good man.
Well,
Hey, Thomas.
Hi, Glover.
Is there a way you can calculate the daily swap?
You can check in your contract in MetaTrader. Each asset has a swap rate. Yeah, you can calculate it.
Gold is pushing.
Yeah, I'm just gonna wait. No front running now.
Shiva.
Okay, thanks.
You're welcome. Do you know how to find the contract specifications in MetaTrader?
No, but I was gonna Google it.
Let me show you. Unfortunately, because I'm sharing the MetaTrader screen, the pop-up windows don't show. But if you go to where you have your assets, can you see US 30, US 100, NASDAQ, GBP USD?
Mm-hmm.
You right-click, and then you go to contract specification or specification, depending what MetaTrader you're using. And when you pull out the specification window, you go down and you have the swap cost. You got it?
Yep. Thanks.
Amazing. Friday. Friday. All night. So
Thomas.
just yep.
Sorry. We're looking for the core PCE or the PCE data?
By default, I look at the core PCE, but unfortunately, PCE doesn't move as much as CPI.
Okay,
So the headline, yeah, both
Okay.
actually, because if the core PCE is insignificantly greater, but the headlines PCE is significantly, then it can help boost the insignificancy of core PCE.
Okay, because when we got the CPI news, we look for core CPI, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you.
And those of you just joining the stream, welcome everyone. Today is 26th of Friday, and we have PCE, which is the favored inflation indicator of the Federal Reserve of the United States. Now, many people confuse CPI with PCE, but these are two different terminologies. CPI measures the change in price of goods and services, whereas the PCE measures the personal consumption expenditure. It measures the price changes, or measures inflation, not price change, measures inflation and pressure on disposable income from the expenditure perspective of households. Some heavy terminology there, but it's important that you understand. The reason why the Fed is favoring PCE, because it takes into account the effect of substitution. When people are shopping down, because their disposable income due to high inflation is not enough to get the usual monthly goods and services. So, for example, groceries, prices skyrocket, but salary stays the same because it's sticky wages, sticky salary, and disposable income is, your money worth less sooner or later. So this is why the Fed is measuring or favoring PCE over CPI. Quickly just want to check, because we had a new member, Mike McCready, and he was asking about the Zoom. Hello everyone, I'm new here. Was the briefing this morning, just starting my day in New York City and getting familiar with Alpha FX. Thank you. Hey Mike, are you in the Zoom? Just want to make sure that everyone's in. Oh, he's on YouTube. But Mike, we have a private Zoom. but you can join the discussion. Forex trader on YouTube asking you on position. Yeah, I'm still sitting, brother. Sitting position. No standing up until the data finished.
Hello, Thomas.
Hello, Jabari. Full margin Friday.
Yeah, full margin Fridays. Why does EU look like a reverse wedge on the one?
Can you repeat?
Can you go on EU chart?
Yeah. There you go. Hold on, let me just share the screen. There's your EU chart.
On the 1 hour.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, let me see here. From Tuesday till now, it's like, how do you say, a greater hand sign? Usually it's a wedge. Or, I don't know how I can explain this, but...
Try it, because we have 4 minutes until PCE.
Okay, let me see if I can... Okay, can you draw a line from...
Ask a question, brother. Ask a question. I'm not going to look for days, because we have 4 minutes until PCE.
Okay, I might have to explain it after then.
What's the question?
Yeah, I've just never seen this price action before.
It's called shit. Sideways shit show. As the price,
it's
name
breaking
of the
highs
price.
and lows at the same time, like every time.
It's crap. Crappy crap. Okay, now back to PC, because literally we have how many minutes? 3 minutes 40 seconds
3 minutes,
to go.
yes.
Okay, so we have discussed already with the team the probabilities, the scenario analysis of PCE data. Many people asking whether I'm going to front run, and we come to the conclusion that, you know, today it could be a good day for a sell because of the festive period. Prices have gone up a little bit. So yes, I just entered into a sell, front running the position. Please, this is not financial advice. You are solely responsible for your trading decisions. I made a 2-lot position, which is insignificant. You know, if it hits 1 or 2K, you know, it's still below my allowed risk tolerance for today. So I can afford to lose. Please only follow this if your analysis aligns with mine. The reason why I entered into a sell is because I think due to the seasonality and, you know, other factors, and generally the market direction and the fear of the Fed recently that inflation, the Fed announced that they won't cut interest rate in the first 6 months of 2024, which they were very clear about it throughout 2023. And the fear of the Fed is definitely hammering down gold because of the rising interest rate expectations. So yields are good. So interest rate is going to stay higher for longer, and this is the only reason why I entered into the position which I entered just now. And we have 1 minute 58 seconds. Remember that if PCE going to be lower than expected, price is going to revisit 2034. If it's higher than expected, then it's going to melt all the way down, hopefully to 2000. Which one is it going to be? Who knows? But you can have some educated guesses if you follow the US market as thoroughly as we do. One minute, 15 seconds to go. What do you think? PC gonna be higher or lower?
Higher.
Oh yeah.
I'm selling.
Full margin, no stop loss.
Full margin Friday. 50 seconds to go. Get your credit cards ready. Triple your money Friday with the Alpha FX. No, I'm just kidding. Don't do that. If you're not, don't get hyped. Just listen and watch how the market is going to react to the economic data. And we have 30 seconds to showdown. $20 seconds to go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And the data which just came out comes out. Come on, come on, come on. 2.9. Actually, I'm going to close down the cell. And wait. 2.9. It's insignificant. Honestly, it's insignificant. Fortunately, the data is almost in line with expectation. So now just going to see. It's still quite high. So I'm re-entering into a sell. It didn't pump that much, so I'm re-entering a sell based on the fact that the market is going to continue most likely the original market direction, which is the fear of higher rates for longer, because inflation is still, it come down below 3% on the core, but let's see, it's still higher than 2%. So there is a confirmation for the Fed to hold interest rates higher for longer, in my honest opinion. Gonna have another look on the data. The PC, it's shit data. Core PC came down, PC stayed the same, so it's in line with expectation. But good news, or no news is good news, because that is going to hopefully spook the markets and confirms that the Fed is going to hold interest rates higher for longer, which they actually announced it multiple times. Throughout
I was stopped out, grabbed my stop loss, and then crashing down this motherfucker.
Did you re-enter?
No, I'm down 1% today, and
yeah, you funded account, yeah.
Yes, and
that's a different story.
I'm done for the day. I lost 873 today, but it's okay.
What? It's with one single position?
No, with 3 positions, 2 US30 and 1 gold position today. But
I'm still in.
What broker you have, Adrian?
On the FTMO account.
Okay.
It's a broker from FTMO. My stop loss was 22.7.
What, 22.7? Okay, yeah, it's gone up to
2027. 2027 was my stop loss. I was stopped out at 20,000.
It literally just touched your stop loss.
Yes, grab my stop loss.
Oh my god!
Say goodbye.
But yeah, it hasn't gone up to 27 in 4XC. It's only 26.6, but unfortunately, you can't change the FTMO broker. But that's slippage.
Was it FTMO that checked you out?
Yes.
Oh god, let me have a look at my FTMO as well. Yep, you're right. Yeah.
And at Oanda broker is
it's fine.
The max is 2026.9. Yeah. Okay. Fuck it. Next time. Next week.
Sorry about that, brother.
Well, it's normal. This is part of the game. Part of the game.
No full.
I choose the stop loss. I choose the stop loss right, in my opinion. But you never know.
Especially high impact data. But even shit data today. It's.
Tamas, this is also shit. This is no direction. It's ranging again.
Yeah.
Okay. Next week.
FTMO? FTMO went to 26.69, but it's a slippage, isn't it?
Maybe.
Slippage.
Yeah, I can see it. I can see it. I think markets kept me in.
Yes. Because my stop loss was
Yeah,
2027, and that was stopped out at 27.64.
I put to 2027.60. Oh, I've taken that as well.
That's it.
I'm still in on the first entry.
Wonder what the highest slippage was. Let me see. What did I play? Let me see. They stopped me at 27.55. Even though you see, that's a lie. Look at that, liars. I put 60. They took me out at 55.
Guys, honestly, the data today is very crappy.
Yes.
I wouldn't hold position. Well, who knows? Anything is possible. But if you look at the data, I'm gonna stick to the sell because data is still a little bit higher than the Fed forecast. But if you look at the economic calendar, the PCE price, the core PCE, came down 0.1%. So it's insignificant. It's nothing, but it's below 3%. So it's a psychological level for economists. If you look at the headline PCE, exactly the same. Personal income have come down, which is deflationary. Personal spending actually has gone up a little bit. That's inflationary. Real consumption has gone up, that's inflationary. So the question is which one the market is going to pick up, which news, which data the market is going to chew on. I'm going to stick to the sell, but I'm not ending any other position, just one position, only 2 lots. Keep it easy, it's Friday. And I'm going to half the profit with Adrian.
No.
That's nice of you.
Thomas is a very nice guy. Yes.
Apparently, yeah.
Oh, stop it.
But
Stop
I wrote it yesterday. The vibe in the community is very, very good.
Yeah, I saw it. It is.
Yes.
Because we have the coolest people in the community.
Yes.
And we have Dorothy,
Go on, then finish that sentence.
No, I'm too afraid.
Don't be. I don't bite. Come on.
Only if I ask.
All these accounts are putting me in apart from FTMO. Okay.
It's going down, down, down. 26 pips.
Thomas, do you think it's going to go over that bottom trend line?
Anything is possible, Bernard. Who knows? Because have you seen the data that just came out?
Mm-hmm.
What's your opinion about that?
It's deflationary.
D or in?
Wait.
You see,
deflationary.
You see, when you have to think about it, that means that the data isn't clear cut. When you have to think about it, all the other traders in the world have to think about it like, oh shit, is it inflationary, deflationary? Oh, is it buy or sell? Now, that's when the market starts ranging and, there's not a clear drop. So to answer your question, whether it's going to break the bottom of this channel, anything is possible. If you look at the what data was it? The personal spending and personal income. Spending is up, income is actually down. So that is a you can interpret in different ways. That's why the data is crap.
Mm-hmm.
I hope it's going to break. I'm going to, I made my point. I have a sell bias. And I looked at the data. It's a bit confusing, but even that core PC prices are lower than the forecast and the previous one, is still high enough to confirm that the Fed is going to hold rates higher for longer. Irvan Santoso is asking, can you trade purely on the charts alone without fundamentals? Can you see in the charts an interest rate decision, for example? I mean, most likely people with Lamborghinis on Instagram are going to tell you that you can see everything in the charts. I let the guys answer this question. Can you trade purely on technicals without fundamentals?
No.
No.
No, of course you can.
You
You're
can,
just not
was
gonna,
he lucky?
That's
yeah, you're just not gonna be
You
profitable.
can't make money.
Yeah, not profitable.
No, I know some technical traders that make money. You know, I'm not judging anyone. Every strategy, every method is good enough to lose money, unfortunately, in the trading world. So, you know, if you make money with something, if you find your edge, whether it's technical, fundamental, or reading tea leaves, I don't care. Just continue doing it because it's a tough job.
See? Oh, sorry. Sorry.
You see now prices ranging on gold. So those of you who would like to learn more about economics, see my trades, and join the AlphaFX community, go to alphafx.eu. I'm sending the link into the YouTube chat right now. Also, you can find the link below the video. And, you know, if you're lucky enough, I will send you a Happy Meal as well for every joiner, or a can of beer, your choice. Position still -3 pips. Do I need this on a Friday? Ranging movement?
I think not.
You need a beer at Milan. That's what you need, brother.
Yeah, probably. I'm gonna hold on to this sell, but it's only 2 lot. And I wish you good luck, guys. I made my best. I did everything which was possible. Explained, you know, what to expect from PCE. Unfortunately, the data, as you can see, it isn't clear cut. It's mixed. It's lower, which is deflationary, but still high enough for the Fed to hold rates, interest rates for higher. So I wish you good luck, guys, for watching the charts for the other next 7 or 8 hours. No, actually 9 hours. But I'm going to enjoy my Friday. I'm going to hold the sell position, but you know, I'm going to live my life. Thank you so much, guys. I wish you a good day and a happy weekend. See you next week.
Nice weekend, team.
Bye, Damas. Have a nice weekend.
Nice weekend. Happy weekend.
Thank you, Thomas. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you, Thomas. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. So, those of you who would like to join the Alpha community, I do morning briefings every single day. Well, Tuesday to Thursday, most likely. And also live trading, where I show my live positions to the team. So I show you the members Discord, where you see I send out the macroeconomic analysis, and also I send out the screenshot of my MetaTrader, where you can see the stop loss, the take profit, everything. It's better than Signal, guys. But anyway, if you would like to join the Alpha community, go to alphafx.eu and become a member. And those of you who just missed the flash sale yesterday, I'm going to send a link now into the YouTube chat. Yeah. Use that link. It's only for free members, because yesterday there were some cancellations. If you would like to join the Alpha community. So let's have a final look to the open position. Still running. It's ranging, guys. You know what? I'm gonna call it a day. I wish you good luck, and of course a relaxing weekend. Spend it with your loved ones. Go out to the nature, read a book, and have a relaxing weekend. Thank you so much, guys. See you later. This is the Alpha FX.